2 plus 2 functions 2 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, this is equals to 7 plus 4 is 11 marks. Okay, and if you come to the functions, relations and functions, relations means okay, there is no condition here for relation. Okay, we can map any element with any element. I am mapping 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Okay, so like this 2 to 3, 2 to 4, like this I am mapping here. Okay, there is no particular condition. Okay, if we take to if we come to the functions, we have certain conditions. We have certain conditions. Okay, so here I have the elements 1, 2. Okay, so and here I have the elements 3, 4. Okay, I'm mapping 1 to 3 and 2 to 3. So no problem. It is a function. Okay, we can leave any element in the second set, but if we leave any one element in the first set, it is not a function. It is not a function. Okay, so I mapped it like this. Okay, so here two elements have one image. Two elements have one image, no problem. It is a function. But okay, so in the relation, okay, so in the relation, so I am taking 1, 2, 3 here. I am A, B. Okay, so here C, T. One have two images. One have two images. Okay, so 2 to C and 3 to D. Okay, just it is a relation, not a function. Just it is a relation, not a function. Okay, but this is a function. Means, okay, already we discussed left hand and right hand. If we keep the fingers like this, okay, left hand means one, here it is showing two images. Okay, so one element, two images. It is not a function, just relation. Okay, if we take the right hand, so two elements have one image, no problem. Not only two, so three elements have one image, no problem. It is a function. Four elements have one image, no problem. It is a function. Five elements have one image. It is a function. Okay, this type of means all the elements have only one and only one image, means that function is called a constant function. Okay, that function name is constant function. And here one more condition here. So we can leave any element in the second set, but we can't leave element in the first set. Okay, so here I mapped with 1 to A and 2 to B. If we leave one element here, it is not a function. It is not a function.
Not a function.
Yes. Okay, I am taking A, B, C, D. So I mapped 3 to C. Okay, I left one element in the D. I left one element in the second set B. Okay, so but anyhow it is a function. Anyhow it is a function. Okay, but if you leave the element in the first set, okay,
It is not
so
a
it is
function.
not a function, just it is a relation. Just it is a relation.
Relation.
Yes. Okay, so I am taking 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, and A and B here. Okay, so I am mapping the elements 1 to B and 2 to, okay, so 3 to A or 2 to A. Okay, so now one element I left here, so no problem. Okay, just it is a relation, but it is not a function. It is a relation, not a function. Okay, all the functions are relations, but all the relations are not functions. Here these relations, whatever we took the example, these relations are not functions, but whatever we took the functions, these functions are relations. These functions are relations here. Okay, now, okay, so yesterday we discussed okay, domain and range also. Okay, what is domain, ma? So domain is nothing but the first set of elements are called domain. Okay, what is codomain? Codomain is
The second
but,
set.
yes. Okay, the second set of elements B are called codomain. What is range? The mapped elements of A. Okay, the images in the function, the images in the function is f of A. Okay, that is called range here. That is only range. If we take one example here, okay, so I'm taking one example here. Okay, so I took 1, 2, 3 and X, Y, Z and W also I'm taking here. Okay, so I'm mapping now. How I am mapping 1 to W? Okay, so and 3 to Y. And 2 to Z. Okay, I map like this. So here I left one element X. I left one element X here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is it a function or not? Yes, it is a function. We can leave element in the second set, but we can't leave in the first set. We can't leave in the first set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is domain here? Domain is nothing but first set of elements. Domain is nothing but first set of elements. What are the elements in the first set, ma?
1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Very good. Okay. What are the elements in the second set?
X, Y, Z, W.
Yes. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Okay. This is codomain. The second set of elements, codomain. First set of elements, domain. And the range. Range is nothing but only mapped elements, images. Okay. Here, what are the elements here? W and Y and Z. Okay. Here there is no X. We left the X here. Okay. If we include the X, that is codomain. Without X, it is a range. Without X, it is a range. Okay. So, and the types of functions, we have various types of functions are there. Okay. So, in that we have one function. We have one function or one-to-one function or injection or injection. Okay. So, one function is nothing but one function. Okay, so here I took the elements. So in the name only we have one elements have one image, distinct elements, distinct images. Okay, so distinct elements, distinct images. Okay, is called one function. Okay, so I am mapping from 1 to B, 2 to okay, 3 to C, and 2 to A. Okay, so now here, is it a function or not?
Yes, sir, it is a function.
Yes, it is a function. It is a function. Okay, so maps from A to B. Function maps from A to B. Okay, so how to prove these? How do we prove these? Okay, if x1 is not equal to x2, distinct images. X1 is nothing but we can consider this one as x1 and 2 as x2. Different two elements, two different elements we are taking. Variable, we are taking variable. Okay, x1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Distinct elements, distinct images. It is one function. Or otherwise we have another way. Okay, that is f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Okay, images are equal. If images are equal, then elements also equal. X1 is equals to x2. X1 equal to x2. Okay, so then also it is a one function. Distinct elements have distinct images. Okay, that means it is a one function or one-to-one function. Okay, after that, onto function. Onto function. Okay, onto function or surjection. Onto function. Okay, or surjection. Okay. So what is onto function or surjection? Onto function or surjection is nothing but if range is equals to codomain. Okay, so if range is equals to codomain. Okay, range is equals to codomain of the function. Or what is another form way? f of a is equals to b. This is range and this is codomain. Okay, or we can also write f of x is equals to y. We can prove anyone. We can prove anyone. So all are same here. Okay, either we can, okay, so take range is equals to codomain, or f of a is equals to b, or otherwise f of x is equals to y. We can prove anyone. Okay, so here, so if we take this example, here d is left in the first one-to-one function example, d is left. Okay, so here range and codomain both are not equal, so it is not onto function. It is not onto function. Okay, so onto function means I am taking one example here for onto function. Here onto function is very important, ma. Okay, here 1 I am mapped with a, 2 I am mapped with b. Okay, so 3 I am mapped with c. Okay, different elements, different images. It is one function. No element left in the second set, it is onto function. Or otherwise, I am taking one more extra element 4 and mapped with c only. Okay, is it one function? No, it is not one function. Is it onto function? Yes, it is onto function. Okay, range and codomain both are equal. Range and codomain both are equal. Okay, this is a function from a to b. Function from a to b. Okay, so a here in the b set, no element is left. No element is left. Every element is mapped here. Okay, so that is nothing but it is onto function or surjection. Okay, if a function, understood, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so how do you prove in this maximum we use this concept? Okay, for proving. Okay, so it is an onto function or one function. Okay, so one function means we use this. Onto function means we take f of x is equal to y. Mostly we prefer to take this for proving a function is onto function. F of x is equals to y. We consider that, and based on that we'll prove. Okay, if you want to prove a function is one function, okay, so we prefer to take f of x1 is equals to f of x2, means images are equal, so elements also equal. If it distinct elements, distinct images. Image equal images, equal elements. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, so now bijective function or bijection. Okay, what is bijection, ma?
Both onto and one function.
Yes. Okay, if a function is one and onto, a function is one and onto. Okay, so one and onto, then that function is called bijective function or bijection. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and here a b c. Okay, so now I am mapped here 1 to b, and I am mapping from 3 to c, and okay, so here 2 to c. Okay, this is a function here. Okay, is it one ma?
Yes, sir.
It is
No,
one.
no, no, no. Okay, yeah.
Yes. One or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes. Different elements, distinct images. It is one function. Is it onto?
Yes, sir.
Yes. No element left in the second set. If you leave any element in the first set, it is not at all a function. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you leave any element in the second set, it is a function, but it is not onto function. It is not onto function. Here it is a bijective function or bijection. So bijective function or bijection is nothing but, okay, so a function is one and onto both, then it is bijective function or bijection. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
here mostly we have and the range related concepts. Okay, so in this surjection is very important. Surjection concept is very important. Okay, so now here we'll discuss the VSEQ. We'll discuss the VSEQ here. So in this, A is equals to, here given A is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, and here he gave the function also, f of x function. Given f of x function is x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. And given that f is from A to B is a surjection. Okay, means range is equals to codomain. Okay, here by substituting these values in this function, we can find the range. Okay, so that means I am substituting now f of -2. Substitute -2 in place of x. So tell me what we get. -2 whole square plus x means -2. Okay, plus 1. What is -2 whole square, ma?
4, sir.
4. Then -2 plus 1, -1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. Okay, now substituting -1. Okay, so then tell me what we get. -1 whole square plus x means -1 plus 1. Okay, we can cancel plus 1 -1, so -1 whole square becomes plus 1, right? Okay, so now
Yes,
f of 0. What is f of 0? Substitute 0 in place of x, so that means 0 plus x means 0 plus 1, so that means we get 1 only. Okay, so now substitute 1 in place of x, so 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Okay, substitute 2 in place of x, so that it is 2 square. X means 2 plus 1. What is 2 square? 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7. Okay, so that means f of A is equals to, f of A is equals to the images of A. F of A means the images of A. F of A is equals to 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. These are the elements. Okay, so repeatedly, whenever you are getting the elements repeatedly, you can write it only once. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7 in the order, and 1 twice we are getting, 3 also we are getting twice. But anyhow, we write only for once. Okay, so now here he gave one condition. What is the given condition? F is from A to B is a surjection. F is from A to B is a surjection. Okay, so given that F is from A to B is a surjection. What is the formula? F of A is equals to B. What is surjection concept? Range is equals to codomain. Okay, so just repeat once here. F of A is equals to B. Again, f of A is equals to B. Okay, so repeat once.
F of A is equal to B.
Very good. Once again.
F of A is equal to B.
Very good. Once more.
F of A is equal to B.
Yes, by using f of A is equals to B, we can find the value of B. He is asking the value of B only. Okay, so that means therefore B is nothing but f of A only. What is f of A? Just now we got it. Okay, so that means here the final answer is 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7 is the final answer. Understood? Okay, like this, if we go to the next question, if A is equals to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, and f maps from A to B is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to cos x, find B. Okay, so here what is given? So first write the given data. So given data is 0, angles are given, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Angles are given here. Okay, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. And what is the function here? F of x is equals to cos x is a function. F of x is equal to cos x. Okay, now substitute those angles in the cos x function so that we get the images of that. Okay, so for the previous problem also, we can draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so here also, if you want, we can draw the Venn diagram. So I am finding the values, images here. F of 0, substitute 0 in place of x, 0 degrees. What is cos 0? What is
One.
cos 0 value? 1. Very good.
1.
Okay, yes. Now f of 5 by 6. What is cos 5 by 6, ma? Cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees?
Root 3.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. F of 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Cos 45. What is cos 45 degrees?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 or 1 by root 2? 1 by root 2. Okay, so next 5 by 3. 60 degrees. Cos 60. Cos 60. What is cos 60, ma? It is 1 by 2. Okay, and f of 5 by 2. Okay, 90 degrees. Cos 90. What is cos 90?
0.
Okay, so cos 90 is 0. Sin 0, 0 and cos 90 is 0. Okay, so after that, now here, therefore, f of a. What is f of a? The images of a function, a set. The images of a. All the images, right? All the images together. Okay, so that means 1 comma root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. All these are the images. All these are the images. F of a, range it is. What is the given condition? Now take the given condition. Okay, so condition, given condition, or given that f maps from A to B is a surjection. Is a surjection. What is the formula if it is a surjection? F of A is equals to B. What is the formula?
F of A is equal to B.
Very good. Repeat. F of A is equals to B. Once again, f of A is equals to B. Okay, so that means here f of A, already we have the value of f of A. Okay, so that is only equal to B. So that means B is equal to f of A is equals to, okay, write the elements 1 and root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0 and 0. Okay, this is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if next question, if f is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, then find 2 plus f root f. Okay, so what is given here in this question? So given function f is equals to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 1. Okay, what is the question here? Question is 2 plus f, 2 plus f. Whatever the operation we have, we apply that operation for the second element. Okay, means in this set 1 comma 2 is a point. 1 comma 2 is a point. Next point is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so after that next point is 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma. So I written as it is. I written, okay, so the function as it is. Here, what is given 2 plus f? Means he is asking to add the 2 to the f. F is nothing but, okay, we have to add this number, okay, so to the second number, means add to this plus 2 plus 2. Okay, whatever the operation we have, we apply on the second number. We apply on the second number. Understood here? Okay, where we apply, we add 2 to the second number. Repeat once. We add 2 to the second number.
Y coordinate.
Okay, so now, so what we get? Tell me fast. 1 comma
4.
4. Good. Next.
2 comma minus 1.
Very good. Next.
3 comma minus 1.
Plus 1 or minus 1? Yes. Okay. So because positive number is bigger, 2 minus 1 means we get plus 1. Okay, nice. Next, okay, so root f. root f. Okay, so root f also we do the same thing, ma. Whatever the operation we have. Okay, so already I told you, whatever the operation we have, we apply on the second number. We apply on the second number. Understood?
Yes.
So here also we do the same thing. Okay, keep the root for the second number. Okay, I am taking the root here. Okay, root of -3 and root of -1. Okay, so here root. Okay, inside root when we have the negative values does not exist. Here does not exist. Under root of -3 and under root of -1, root of -1 does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, so therefore, okay, so therefore, what is answer, ma? Therefore, root f is equals to 1 comma root 2, and this 2 comma my root of -3 does not exist. 3 comma my root -1 does not exist. Okay, so that's why we write like this, and let's stop here. Okay, next. Understood till here? I'll give the time to you,
Yes.
ma, for writing. Okay, so once look at this question. Okay, so here f is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma -3 and 3 comma -1. Then find 2f and f square. 2f and f square. Okay, so what is given? So first write the given function. F is equals to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma -3, 2 comma -3 and 3 comma -1. 3 comma -1. Okay, so and what we are going to find? We are finding the value of 2f. We are finding the value of 2f. 2f is nothing but already I told you. Already I told you. Okay, so the operation, whatever it is given, okay, whatever the operation is given, we apply on the second number. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so here 2f is nothing but multiply, okay, by 2. The function f we are multiplying by 2. Okay, means on the second number multiply by 2, second number multiply by 2, second number multiply by 2. Understood here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the results, ma, fast.
1 comma 4, 2 comma
good.
-6 and 3 comma -2.
Very good, very good. 3 comma -2. Okay, this is required solution. Next, what is second one, ma? F square. Second one is f square. F square. Where we have the square? Okay, so
Second.
for what number we have to square? 1
For
comma
the y coordinate.
1 comma 2. I am writing the same. Okay, so f function as usually first. Okay, but here given that it is f square, so apply the square for the second number. Okay, means my 2 square and -3 square and -1 square. Now tell me the results fast.
1 comma 4, 2
Very
comma 9, 3 comma 1.
Is it +9 or -9?
+9.
+9. Very good. Okay, so when we square, then negative sign becomes positive. Minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, just
Yes.
okay. So till here, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.